In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Elementor website responsive. If you're looking to ensure your site looks just as stunning on a smartphone as it does on a desktop, you're in the right place. To get started, open the Elementor editor on your website. Once you're in the editor, look towards the top of your screen for the responsive icon. This vital tool will allow you to toggle between desktop, tablet, and mobile views. By moving through these different views, you can visualize how your website will appear across various devices and make necessary adjustments to fit each format. Now, one of the most effective strategies is to design your site with mobile in mind first. Think about how people interact with mobile devices. Everything is about tap targets and clarity. You want to ensure your text is large enough to read comfortably and that buttons are easy to tap without accidentally triggering something else. Consider simplifying your layouts for mobile users so they can navigate your site with ease. A cluttered mobile interface can easily turn visitors away, which is why focusing on these elements from the start can save you a lot of time and effort as you scale up to larger screens. Once you've prioritized mobile readability and user-friendliness, it's time to think about optimizing your site's performance. One way to improve loading times, especially on mobile devices with potentially limited internet speeds, is by enabling lazy loading. In Elementor, you can find this option within the performance settings. Lazy loading delays the loading of images and other media until they're needed, which can drastically enhance your site's speed. In the same performance settings, be sure to check that image loading is also optimized. Images are often the heaviest elements on a web page, and optimizing their loading can make a huge difference in how fast your site feels to visitors. Adjusting these settings will help ensure that your site remains fast and responsive across all device sizes. To wrap up, remember that making a website responsive is more than just an aesthetic choice. It's about accessibility, usability, and providing a seamless experience for your visitors, no matter how they access your site. By utilizing Elementor's responsive editing tools, focusing on user-friendly mobile design, and optimizing your site's performance, you'll be well on your way to building a responsive and engaging website. Thanks for joining me today as we explored these essential steps to making your Elementor website responsive. Feel free to leave any questions or thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on web design and development. Happy building, and see you in the next video.